Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another CSRF lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's a CSRF where token validation depends on token being present. So the email change functionality, and it's vulnerable to CSRF. We're going to use our exploit server, and we have credentials that we can log in as. Okay, so let's get started. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos. Would definitely appreciate it. Here we go. So if I go to, let me make sure I am proxying this. Log on as Wiener Peter. Here's our email. So let's do new@email.com. Let's check out what we have here. So I'm going to HTTP history, and then I'm going to go to this post. So we can see we have a CSRF token in the body. We don't have it in the head. So if we go to our study sheet, token in the form only, that's true. We can try the get, but you know, we did that last time. Let's do send to repeater, and let's send this just so we have something to fall back on. I'm going to do right click and change request method. This moves everything to the top. I'm going to send it with the CSRF just to see if it works. It does not. I'm going to remove the CSRF. See if that works. And we've killed it. So that sucks. But let's assume it comes back in a second. So that'll be the get. Will a post work without the token? So that did not work. Finally came back. So let's go back. So I'm going to click this to go back to our post. And I'm going to delete this. Well, let's change it to new one. And I'm going to delete this, right? So that was the next test we wanted to do. We got a 302. Let's see if it actually changed. We're looking for new one. My goodness. They're having some network issues, huh? There we go, new one. So that did work without a CSRF token. So that'll be how we exploit it. Let's get started here. I'm going to name this token validation depends on token being present. Vim token validation depends on token being present. .py. And then I'm going to start with this, our first one again. The reason why it has everything I need right here. Input required email. So we're going to send this just without the CSRF token. Exactly the same as we did the first one. Let me just make sure it is email. And the email we're going to change it to is gotham@ubehackedsucka.xyz, which seems appropriate. So let's do, let's just run it. We made 0 changes to that freaking exploit. So on token being present, we need this and this and then this. So it's going to post our HTML exploit. As soon as that gets posted, the victim is going to check it out. When they do, we get a solve. Boom. Yeah, so that was it. We just removed the CSRF token requirement in the form. So we just had a form with one input named email. We knew that was correct because that's what it's named here. And then once the victim visited this page, our JavaScript here is going to automatically submit the form with any values that it already has. For instance, this item. Boom, that's it. All right, I have nothing else to say. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.